Hi, I'm Aline Broda, and I'm talking from Brazil. I will present my final cats. This is my 10th best cat. Is a ragdoll, blue point bicolor. Is a beautiful ragdoll, very well structured. I loved his coat and his face. My 9th best is this Somali cat. He is a very beautiful cat, have a beautiful color and beautiful tail, nice legs, and very nice coloring marking. My 9th best cat. This is my 8th cat. He is an Aussie cat. He's a beautiful Aussie cat with good structure, good boning, and good musculature. Is an beautiful Aussie cat. You can see the markings, and he is my 8th best cat. This is my 7th best cat. Is a Norwegian forest cat. Have a good fur, good boning, and a very good ear set and profile. Is a very beautiful Norwegian forest cat and my 7th best cat. This Oriental short hair is a beautiful cat with good ears, good eyes, good personality, good long and tubular body with long legs. Is an Oriental short hair. Is my 6th best cat. This Sphinx is my 2nd Sphinx. Is a very beautiful Sphinx. I love her ears and her face, and is a very, very beautiful Sphinx. Is my 5th best cat. This is my 4th best cat. Is an American curl, have a good curl on ears, a beautiful profile, beautiful cheeks, and beautiful muzzle. It's a very well-structured cat. Is my 4th best cat. This Sphinx is my 1st Sphinx and is my 3rd best cat. Has a beautiful body, a beautiful face, with ears well set and good eyes. I like her personality, jumping all around, and is my 3rd best cat. This exotic short hair is a very good cat, is a very good exotic with good and round eyes and beautiful profile, very short, good ears, very well set, good boning and good musculature. Is my 2nd best cat. This is a very nice Abyssinian. You can see her eyes. Is very almond and very well set. Beautiful ears, well set, good musculature, beautiful color. Is my best cat for today.